Let's go ahead and pull them, see if they're really on here. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am testing out magnetic lashes for you guys today. These are brand new at Walgreens. Brand spanking new. Check this out. This is a magnetic liner and lash, but this is unique because it is a gel liner. Okay, we are so used to seeing liners like this online where it's like a liquid liner. So I got these two at Walgreens. They run around $15, $16. And I thought I would try them out for you guys. Hey, don't waste your money if they're not good because I'm going to try it for you. Just wanted to note, though, that those lashes are beautiful by Eylure. But do they both work well? I don't know. Let's go ahead and just jump to that video. And any links I can find to these, if I like them, I will post them down in the description box with all the information about these two lashes as well. So anyways, let's go ahead and just jump right over to that video. Okay, so on this eye, we are going to do the Ardell Magnetic Gel Liner and see how this works. So when I open it up, it actually looks like a big pod, but I open it up and it's actually pretty darn tiny here. Let's go ahead and take this super duper tiny brush and dip it in and see what we think. So it feels like it's pretty pliable. Feels like a wax on the brush. Let's go ahead and dive in and see. Is it easy to apply? Is it pigmented? So far, so good. Let me put some more on the brush. So it feels like it dries pretty quick. So it's like flexible when you dip into it, and then it feels like it doesn't have as much glide. Let me kind of show you right here. So I'm going to glide it, and that glides fine, but then, no, it's actually the same. I take that back. So let's see here. This gliding. Give it a few seconds to dry. Let's see how it does after a few seconds. But that was pretty easy to apply. I'm going to wipe the excess off right here to make sure that the brush stays nice and flat because we don't want it to be fat. Okay, so we saw how it glided right on. Is it still jelly? Is it still... Look at this. So it's drying. Let me show you. You see, it's like, it's not gliding like it was. So it does dry down, obviously. Because if I tried to do it on top, look at this. I'd be pulling my eye too much. So it is dry. I'm going to hold them with the tweezers so you guys can really see up close without my hand getting in the way. So let's go see if we're going to put the outside edge first. Wow, okay, so that went right down, and right down. Wow. Now, it actually feels like it's really snug and really tight. Let's pull on them. Look at that. Oh, the magnet got stuck to the metal. Let's just use my hand and see. Wow, so let's tug. Look at that, it's on there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and see how it looks because my lashes are naturally down, so I think these look like they're naturally down because they're just falling on my lashes. It's down, it's very black, it's very pretty. Let's do the lashes again. Shoot, what am I talking about? I have to put my mascara on first. So let's go ahead and try the lashes once again. Voila, they're up. I feel like it hangs over on this side a little bit too much, so I'm going to take it more into my inner corner. Now, how many times will these actually remove and reapply? I don't know. This is why you don't use a metal applicator to put them on, like it's stuck on here. My plastic lash holder. I'll post a link to this. This is amazing. I cannot live without this, honestly, when I'm putting on my lashes. So you see, I'm just holding it right here. We're gonna pop this down all in one step. And look at that. Wow. Now let's go ahead and pull them, see if they're really on here. That's pretty darn tight, guys. Look at that. And I'm really pulling them tight or hard. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the other eye with the other one and see how that looks. Okay, so here is the eyeliner, the magnetic lash eyeliner. And I learned in working with these before, you do have to shake it up really, really well. I'm going to do it to this one. And now let's open it up and see what it looks like. There's a lot of product on there, so I'm going to wipe off just a little bit. Okay. Looks just like a brush. Let's go ahead and try it on this eye. Oh, that's nice, and it's not running, and it's very easy to apply. Oops, I got interrupted by a call there. So that was just like, I don't know, a 30-second delay. So you guys can see it looks like it starts drying really, really quickly. And that is pretty darn black. A little bit more on. Going to redip. Now when I redipped, I did not push the brush all the way in because I just wanted a little bit extra liquid. It's a very, very, you guys can see, a very black matte. It almost looks like it makes my eye crease a little bit. Like, you see what I'm talking about? It looks like there's a crease right there. Like it's drying to the skin. Or like I put paint on my skin and it dried. Let's go ahead and just try the lashes. So this is how this lash came off on the box. It's interesting because you peel it off and then it has this, I don't know, like piece of tape protecting them, I guess. So we're just going to take off the piece of tape. Yep. Going to use the same thing, the lash holder. The lash holder, guys, is only like, I think, $5. I'll post a link down below for you. So it's in there. Let's go ahead and pop them on and see if it attaches. Okay, well the edge looks like it's sticking out. I barely touched it and it came off. Okay, I blinked and then it came off. For some reason, it's not sticking. You guys can see the magnets on it. And look at this. Okay, now it's stuck, but it popped off. So you see, only in certain parts it actually sticks. And it doesn't stick very, very well. So let's go ahead and try a second coat. Okay guys, it's dry, so let's go ahead and try it again. They don't feel like they're grabbing, so I'm just gonna push it, let it go, and you can see the corner is lifting again. Look at that. Look at this corner right there. Look, it's not even down. Let me push it down with my tweezers. And it, look at that, like, wow. Horrible, horrible. The Ardell Magnetic Gel Liner is 1,000 times better than this other one, because this liquid liner that came on the Eylure lashes didn't work. I mean, I'm actually gonna go back. I'm debating on going back and getting my money back for this, because this did not work at all. You guys saw that. It was horrible. But I love the love the lashes. So I'm really, really torn on just keeping it for the lashes. But you know what? I'm going to do some research and see if I can find magnetic lashes that are this beautiful on Amazon, that are cheaper, because I might be able to return this. This is $16, I believe. And if I could just find a bunch of lashes like this with the magnets on, I can use the gel liner from Ardell and save myself some money. Unfortunately, our Eylure, the liner, is a fail, is a huge fail. But just looking at those lashes, that's a huge difference. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous lash. I'm not saying that these are not gorgeous. They are just completely different, as you can see. Ardell and Eylure. So anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this review. I'll post any links down below and give you the descriptions of what I'm posting. Hopefully I can save you guys some bucks. But I really honestly think that this is a fantastic gift for yourself or somebody else, especially people who have difficulty putting lashes on, because you can just put the liner on, pop it on, run out, and reuse these lashes over and over and over, and not have a problem with the glue or them getting gunky or anything. This is a no-brainer. I think if you struggle putting lashes on, this gel liner by far is one of the best liners I've ever tried. And I tried a few different magnetic liners, but they were the liquid, kind of like this one, and you had to shake it, and sometimes you had to put 2 or 3 coats. But this gel liner by Ardell is mind-blowing, and it is awesome. And you can use it obviously with other magnetic lashes. Now, like I said, once again, this would make a fantastic gift for anybody who struggles to put on lashes, because you don't have the glue problem, you don't have the gunkiness. You can use these over and over and over and over, and they will always look new. But that's it. I'll post whatever links I can find to magnetic lashes down below, but I would say go and splurge on these lashes, even if you don't like the lashes, just so you can get this gel liner, this magnetic gel liner from Ardell. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.